Hello, my name is Robert. I am the founder as well as lead developer of Glades AI. And today we have a video showing some updates that I've done in the past couple months. So the first thing you'll notice if you've seen the last video is that our UI looks completely different. We also have this new toggle split screen button. I'm going to load into the UI like normal while I talk about some of these updates, and then I'll show you a few more. So the UI, you'll notice it's different because we actually are building our theme currently. Right now the UI, the theme for the UI is blank, and we have our graphics person developing the theme. So I basically got the UI ready to implement his theme, and so we also added some performance updates to it and did the whole works. We really made sure to update that UI. In addition, the UI allows us to have this editor mode. So right here, for instance, you'll see I can place down these different objects. I can select different buildings or other objects. And we could also move them. We could also edit them manually over here. We can edit the raw numbers, and we also have different options over here. So for instance, if I have this ghost model that moves with my mouse, I can disable that, right? And we're adding more features. We're testing out many different things. One other thing with it is, for instance, we can undo, right? We can undo as well as redo, and that's pretty cool. But let's go to the next feature. There's going to be a lot more development with the editor. So I walked back over here to the spawn, and let's talk about the split screen feature. So I'm going to toggle the split screen and go back into the game. So you'll notice right here now there's two cameras, one on the left, one on the right, as well as the ability to toggle the orientation for the split screen. Currently I only have one keyboard, so I added a nice little switch right here so I can easily switch between the two. And something else that's pretty cool that is related to the functionality of the split screen is I added portal functionality. So right here you'll see I added this portal, and this portal, I have one in the front and the back of the buildings. And so now I'm going to run all the way over here. You can see me in the portal, and right here this portal is very close to a lot of objects. These are the knees of one of the models. Here's the sphere and the cube. This is that blue blob guy. So this is pretty close over here to the models. These are the buildings that I placed down when I was in the editor. They're behind the player too. And so this split screen and portal functionality are both very related, basically having multiple different cameras in our view at the same time. And in addition to the portal functionality, we also have now the capacity to have things like mirrors and anything that reflects or has that same type of camera, like a security camera in a game, right? That can work out pretty well too. We could also very easily toggle off the split screen. And these are just some of the new features that I've been working on. These are definitely the ones that I am most completed with. There's some others that are currently still in the works that we've been doing these past couple months, and we will showcase those in the next video. Thank you very much.